Hello. Today we are going to make a pizza. You want to eat pizza? Yay. Let's make a pizza. In order to make pizza, what do we need? We need tomatoes. Now say it again. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. So in order to make pizza, we need tomatoes. What else? We need salami. 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 Say it again. Tomatoes and salami. Okay, what else do we need? Ta-da! We need mushroom. Now, mushroom. Say it again. Mushroom. Good. Again. Mushroom. So we need three things, right? First things we need tomatoes. Okay. Then we need salami and mushroom. And the final ingredient, what is it? Ta-da! What is it here? Now you have to smile when you say this, right? Cheese. Say it again. Cheese. Smile when you say it. Cheese. Do it. Good.
Let's make a pizza, you and me. I love pizza, it's yummy. Let's make a pizza, you and me. I love pizza, it's yummy. Put on the tomatoes. Put on the salami. Put on the mushrooms. And the cheese. I love cheese. Let's eat!
Let's make a pizza, you and me. I love pizza, it's yummy. Let's make a pizza, you and me. I love pizza, it's yummy. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. Salami. Salami. Mushroom. Cheese. So do you love pizza? Now say with me. Pizza. I love pizza. Now say it. I love pizza. How about this one? Tomato. So say I love tomatoes. One more. I love tomatoes. How about this one? Salami, right? Salami. Now say I love salami. How about this one? I love tomatoes. What do you love? I love pizza. I love tomatoes. Good, very good. I love salami. Now, what do you love? What do you love? I love mushrooms. One more time. I love mushroom. And finally, what do you love? I love cheese. Very good. Did you like eating pizza? See you next time. Bye.